Yo, what's up everybody, it's Nick Generic or Eclipse here. First video of us, well yeah, you're doing it with me basically, but of me opening up this Pokemon opening. We got the Scarlet versus Violet binder collection, 151, so let's get right into it. So I opened up the box off camera. I would have opened it up on camera, but I'm super careful and it takes me a while to open it up. So they gave me like it seems like a little binder. I wonder if I could hold Pokemon's in there. Hold on, give me 1 second. Yeah. Look at this. And they give you a binder where you could put Pokemons in. Honestly, I might put the Pokemons from this deck in here. What is this? Oh, it's just like a little, like, safety fabric thing. They have one here in the front too. We're not gonna really need that anymore. I'm gonna show you guys the box from every angle. And this is the side I torn open. Now what I usually do is if it's a pack I never opened up before and I don't have the pack, I preserve, and I try to preserve them and I keep them. So it's going to take me a bit to open them up, so I'm going to pre-open them up. So I'll see you guys in a bit. I was only able to preserve 2 packs, the other ones were a failure. Anyways, I got them all set up right here, and let's get right into it. Alright, first pack. So I don't know the card trick. So we're gonna have to just go through it right here. Right, first we got Bellsprout. We got Magikarp. Oh, I saw something good back there. We got Oddish. We got Mankey. We got Pinsir. We got Bill's Transfer. It's a trainer card. We got Golbat. We got Staryu. Oh, here's the reverse holo. Yeah, that's the reverse holo. It's a Rhydon. Just an uncommon. Ooh. So we got a Dragonite. It looks like that's a holo. Yep, Dragonite holo rare. That's a good card. Okay, so we got a basic fighting type energy. Is it a reverse holo or is it a holo? I don't know. Cool. And then that's the card here. Here you guys go. Here. Oh, I didn't even realize that there's a Staryu reverse holo too. Alright, for the next pack, here's another code. Rhyhorn. Magikarp. Oddish. Mankey. Rapidash. Nidorina. Raticate. We got a Poliwhirl. That looks like a reverse holo, yeah. Reverse holo uncommon. I mean, reverse holo common. Poliwhirl. We got Growlithe. Ooh, we got a Mewtwo rare, and that's a holo as well. That's a good card. And then we got a Darkness Energy, regular. The next pack, here's the code. Got a Spearow. Ooh. Got a Bellsprout. We got a Magikarp. We got an Oddish. Yogurt. We got an Ivysaur. Slowbro. Machoke. Caterpie, or Caterpie. Graveler. Oh, that's a reverse holo uncommon. Ooh, a Raichu rare holo. That's really cool. And then a water energy. It's getting decent pulls. This one, here's another code, y'all. Okay. We got Tangela. We got a Coughing. We got a Psyduck. We got a Ekans. We got a Snorlax. Oh, Snorlax. I love Snorlax. I got a Sand Slash. Wait, I don't know if I got it. Okay, we got a Nidorino. We got a Parasect Reverse Hollow. Uncommon. Then we got a Meowth, and that's just a Reverse Hollow Common. Ooh, and then we got a Starmie a rare Hollow. It's a good card. Then we got a regular Water Energy Common. So a little recap on some of the good hollows that we got in rares. Starmie, rare. Raichu, rare hollow. Starmie was a rare hollow too. Mewtwo, rare hollow. And a Dragonite, rare hollow. Alright, well I hope you guys enjoyed this video. First Pokemon opening on this channel. Definitely will do more in the future. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Yogurt.